Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to us with, it comes actually for repairing this. We replace, the power switch. We did replace it with a new one, and the machine needs a tune-up. So we did a tune-up. We replaced all of these gaskets, and some of them get like I throw it like a group hit gasket. And there was another one. I don't know where is it here. Around, and also replace this for the gauge. I'm using now the pressure gauge here to check the temperature and the pressure after I finish. So the steam won't also get deep cleaning. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. Nice shot. And let's test the steamer too. Yeah, the steamer got like replaced two gaskets here. That works perfect. And I like always to test it this way. I like to run only water. Perfect. So the machine works perfect and everything functioning perfectly. Thank you for watching.